Oh, hey, how you like my new cowboy hat? I just picked it up down the street down here, and seems to fit pretty good. Well, that's not a cowboy hat. This is a cowboy hat. Where did you get that? Yeah, I got it down the street down here. Why are you wearing a flannel shirt in the summertime? Why are you wearing a t-shirt making a YouTube video? Let me see that hat. Sure. Here you go. That's not a cowboy hat. That's my old hat. That's my hat. What are you doing with my hat? For Pete's sake. Try to be a little more polite. That's my hat. Bring it back here. Don't be such a thief and be honest for a change. I'll get it back. I know where he lives, and I know he takes long naps. I'll get it back.